Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to link your and add your Buy Me a Coffee link to your Linktree, and it's pretty simple. Basically, you just go to buymeacoffee.com. If you don't have it already, of course, sign up. And when you will do that, you will need to set up your account. So Buy Me a Coffee is just a place where a person who likes your content can click on the link and basically donate to you. So you can also set up memberships, extras, wish list, commissions, and of course donations. So the main one is donations, and your viewers, your customers can support you by buying you a coffee, like a dollar or two, and so on. So when you will sign up to Buy Me a Coffee, you need, of course, to go to Linktree also. So here on Linktree, if you are not here on links tab, you just basically click on links and you will be redirected to this page where you can add buttons. So we're gonna add a link now to our Buy Me a Coffee, and as you can see, you can click on the top right corner on three dots and you can view your page. But basically here you can see my link. I can just basically click share page and copy link, get my QR code, share on Facebook or Twitter. So I'm just gonna copy the link, go to Linktree, paste the link here, and it will be added. Now we can actually add a coffee button also. You just basically click view my page, and after that I will just try to copy this coffee button and paste it here. So as you can see, it works. Now for the thumbnail, as you can see, it's quite weird, but we can leave it for now. So as you can see, here is the button of the Buy Me a Coffee, and people can actually donate to you. You can change the place of your Buy Me a Coffee on Linktree like that, but basically that's how you add your Buy Me a Coffee link to your Linktree. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!